Environmental pollution has become a major global crisis, threatening our planet and its inhabitants. Here are the major areas affected. Air pollution causes burning fossil fuels, vehicles, power plants, industry, agricultural practices, forest fires. Effects: respiratory problems, asthma, lung disease, cardiovascular issues, harm to plants and animals, smog, acid rain. Water pollution causes industrial waste, sewage, agricultural runoff, pesticide, fertilizer, oil spills. Effects: contaminated drinking water, harm to marine life and ecosystems, disruption of food chains. Soil pollution causes improper waste disposal, mining, chemical spills, intensive agriculture. Effects: degraded soil quality, reduced crop yields, contamination of food sources, damage to ecosystems. Climate change causes greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane from human activities trap heat in the atmosphere. Effects: rising global temperatures, more extreme weather, droughts, floods, storms, melting ice caps, rising sea levels, mass displacement of people and wildlife. Loss of biodiversity causes habitat destruction, deforestation, land use change, pollution, invasive species, and overexploitation of resources. Effects: disruption of ecosystem services, water purification, pollination, loss of potential benefits, medicine, new materials, reduced resilience to environmental changes. Environmental protection strategies. We need a multifaceted approach to address these issues. Here are key actions. Sustainable energy. Transition to renewable energy sources, solar, wind, geothermal, hydropower. Increase energy efficiency through technology and behavior changes. Pollution control. Stricter regulations and enforcement on industrial emissions and waste. Improved wastewater treatment systems. Incentives for eco-friendly practices in agriculture. Conservation and restoration. Protect forests and other critical habitats. Reforest degraded areas. Promote sustainable land use practices. Waste management. Emphasize waste reduction, reuse, and recycling. Invest in safe disposal methods for hazardous waste. Policies and regulations, carbon pricing and other market-based mechanisms to discourage pollution. International agreements on environmental standards and climate action. Education and awareness, increase public understanding of environmental problems and solutions. Foster a sense of environmental responsibility in individuals and communities. The role of individuals. While large-scale changes are needed, individual choices matter too. Reduce dependence on fossil fuels, use public transportation, bicycles, electric vehicles when possible. Energy conservation. Turn off lights, use energy-efficient appliances, insulate your home. Responsible consumption. Reduce, reuse, recycle, avoid single-use plastics, choose sustainable products. Support eco-friendly businesses, choose companies committed to environmental practices. Advocate for change, get involved in your community, talk to your elected officials, support environmental organizations. Important considerations. Environmental justice. Pollution's effects often disproportionately impact low-income and marginalized communities. Environmental protection must prioritize equity. Global cooperation. Environmental problems transcend borders. International collaboration is essential. Let me know if you'd like a deeper dive into a specific type of pollution or solution. We can further explore strategies tailored to your interest.